this is the first time for me to do this job. If we ask the shop to do it, it cost over $1,000. But this time I paid $50, bought the material, tried myself, only for the experience, okay? It is not...
Is that good?
Mm-hmm.
Like how the pile over there started again. Yep.
Okay.
Just wipe it in one direction. And then it will be dry in no time. Are you getting all the dirt off? Well, now what I want you to do, go over here.
Okay.
And I want one more time, but you just pull it down.
Look how quickly
I know,
it's
I
drying.
want to do it one more time,
Okay,
but you
yeah, I
just
got
pull
you.
down.
You
You don't go back and forth. Hang on one more time.
Moment.
Up here.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Now no more scrubbing.
Okay.
This time you're just gonna take one direction.
Okay. Down.
Watch out. Yeah, down. Watch out.
Yep.
Take your time. Do it thorough. And make sure you get down on it. Good. Get it nice and clean. No dust. Good.
And if we need to tape them.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah, that's fine.
Mm-hmm. Yes, yes, yes. So mother, now it's your turn to find the base and which is the base?
Primer.
Primer.
Sandable primer.
Mm-hmm.
This is base coat color.
Mm-hmm. This is a shiny.
And this is gloss clear coat. So this is the base coat.
This first.
That's what it says.
Which is color.
This is, well, I mean, we're gonna look at it, aren't we?
You have to do like a
Ooh, shake that one.
shake.
We're gonna just spray on this real quick.
This is primer.
I know, but the color. We're gonna find out.
No. You need this.
Oh, is there a thing in it? What is this?
It's like a handle thing. You put it in, and it sprays it for you.
They gave this to you?
Yeah.
Okay. That's not pressing it. Does that need to come out?
I don't know.
Did it come with directions?
Yeah. You might want to wear a mask.
Yeah, please. You have to wear a mask. Not Mike. Wow.
Like this?
You're not Asian at all. If you can't put on a mask, you're not Asian at all. Wrong way.
So complicated.
No. It's upside down.
Huh?
It's upside down.
Like this?
Down a little more.
He's a cyclops.
Okay, you're fine. Perfect.
Like this?
Yes, that's good. Excellent. Do you
Okay, I need a chair.
the chair's over here. You're kind of scaring me here.
Okay.
You couldn't put on a mask. Okay, go for it. You should try to get on it, I think, a little more. Yeah, there you go. Ooh. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Go
I
away.
mean, we should
Oh.
wear masks, I think.
You should do one coat of primer at a time.
Yeah.
One pass. Shoot.
You're supposed to like do it really quickly.
Yeah, real quick. Oh, dang, we forgot the windshield. Oh, we forgot those. Oh, Daniel. That's not how you do it, dear.
Mm-hmm.
Can I just show you real quick?
Mm-hmm.
Can you hold this?
Mm-hmm.
Ready?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Even. Very even.
Okay.
You always come back and do another. No problem. Even. Do another then.
Okay.
You don't concentrate on one spot. It's not paint.
Okay.
It's a primer.
Okay.
And spray paint, you always have to do that way.
Okay. No.
I think it's too windy.
Okay. Finish. This is the first time for me to do this job. If we ask the shop to do it, it cost over $1,000. But this time I paid $50 for the material, tried myself, only for the experience. Okay, it is not a very good job. The second bottle just does not come out. Okay, it come all the time. I have all the drips on the car. Does not look very nice, but at least it stopped rusting. Okay, this is an old truck. It's only for my experience, for learning things, to practice. Okay, we did. Okay, and congratulate us. Okay, not the best job, but much better looking than before. 如果要到车行去做的话，它要$1000以上。那么我自己呢，买了$50的材料，试了一下。由于它第二个这个喷枪啊不好，它喷出来就有那个点，所以呢喷得不匀，所以这个效果并不是最好。但是呢，作为练习啊，这是一个老的这个这个小货车嘛，小皮卡。作为练习呢，我就实验了一次啊，花了$50玩了一次。那么呢，至少可以不再生锈了，就达到这个目的就可以了。OK。这一次这个视频就做完了啊，绝对不是完美的结果，但是呢，比原来要好看很多。OK，祝贺我们吧，耶、We customer ordered the paint. It's supposed to be the same color, but not at all. It is not the same color. Okay, very different color, and it's not shining. And also the second bottle, the color just does not come out properly. It gives all the drops. Okay, it just does not come out. I have to change another to make it working. Say it again. This is the company made the paint for us, and we waited for like 2 weeks. The result is not satisfactory, and I really would like to do it again. I would like to do it again. This is not looking good. Okay.